Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Taegyu Jang and my partner's name is Yunseok Lee. Our subject choice is chemistry. Chemistry is utilized at many areas. We specially cover about solar cell among them. Let's look at the picture. Is it awesome and fantastic, isn't it? This is Dubai's view. Dubai has earned much money by oil, but this oil is problem and errors. Pay attention to this graph. As you can see, before 1980, this graph is over zero. This means oil production is higher than oil consumption. However, after 1980, oil consumption is higher than oil production. Graph shows that the oil is used more and more. Oil causes environmental pollution and oil is finite resources. If people use in this pace, oil will be used up. So we must prepare future. We have to develop eco-friendly and sustainable energy system. That is just solar cell. Solar cell can convert light energy to electronic energy. Now, this presentation will be hard. More attention please. Let us know about the principle of solar cell. There are strange words in this picture such as p-type and n-type silicon. P-type and n-type silicon is kind of semiconductor. What is semiconductor? Do you know that? It is containing conductor and insulator properties material. P-type and N-type is doped semiconductor. If I add impurity at pure semiconductor, I can make P-type and N-type. There are differences between P-type and N-type. P-type has more hole than pure things, and N-type has more electron than pure things. Hole is positive charge and electron is negative charge. Let us show schematic diagram again. If solar cell absorb light energy, electrons and holes can move. It generates electronic energy. Then this light energy is specific. This energy is called band gap. This band is semiconductor's electronic structure. Electrons are occupied at lower band. Electrons are not occupied at upper band. Gap between this band is band gap. If solar cell absorb energy, electrons move lower to upper. So solar cell absorbs specific energy. Band gap is different in accordance with semiconductor's structure material. This point is very important. In short, solar cell absorb band gap and then solar cell generate electronic energy. Now we inform recent solar cell study result. First, it is tandem solar cell. This cell has a lot of fluor and it is consists of various kinds of p-type and n-type semiconductor. Each fluor has different band gap. So this cell can absorb diverse light area. Therefore, tandem solar cell has a high efficiency. The highest efficiency in recent study is 44.4%. It's amazing. From now on, Yunseok Lee's turn.
Hello, I will tell you about sticker solar cell and spray solar cell. Sticker solar cell, formal name is peel and stick thin film solar cells. Usually, solar cell is expensive. One reason is price of silicon wafer. Silicon wafer is essential material of solar cell, but it is expensive and fragile. Sticker solar cell focus on recycling silicon wafer. Look at the picture. You can see the silicon wafer and there is TFSC on the wafer. TFSC is abbreviation for thin film solar cell. TFSC is the place producing energy. Next, soak the solar cell in the water bath. Then we can peel the TFSC. Finally, we can place on target. It's very easy, isn't it? The strength of peel and stick thin film solar cells is cheaper than original solar cell because of recycling silicon wafer. And second, flexibility. Of course, because it is thicker, very convenient to use. Lastly, it can be used widely, such as iPhone, winter clothes, car, and airplane, etc. Next, I will talk about spray solar cell. How to use this? Just spray on the target, like this man in the first picture. You can see the second picture, and this is the scene coating glass with spray solar cells. Then what is the difference? At first, material is organic matter. Organic matter is cheaper than inorganic matter and has low melting point. So we can melt it and put in spray can. Of course, transport is easy. Second, spray solar cell has low efficiency. However, it is very cheaper and can be used widely than other solar cells. Solar cell is more expensive than oil. This is main obstacle for development of solar cell. Do you know LED? At first, LED market was unnoticed market. But after some companies developed LED, LED market had grown more than 3 times for 3 years. Like LED example, I think the solar cell market would grow rapidly. Inference. Thank you.